Trig Laws Example 5.
For triangle HDL, determine the measure of angle H to the nearest degree, given H equals 57, D equals 75, and L equals 45. For this one, since we don't have an image or a picture of our triangle, we're going to need to draw our own. I know that these are all going to be side links since they have lowercase letters. If they were uppercase or they had the angle sign, they would be our angles. So H is 57, which means the angle across from it will be angle H. Side D is 75, the angle across from that, angle D. And side L is 45, and again the angle across from that will be angle L. So since we have three sides for our triangle, we're going to have to use law of cosines. Our equation, since we are looking for angle H, we'll have to start with our 57 on the left-hand side of our equal. So we will have 57 squared equals 75 squared plus 45 squared minus 2 times 75 times 45 times the cosine of H.